Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be doing an unboxing of a new Lasco product, which is the Nordic Table Lamp. Okay, so for today's video guys, another Lasco item, which is yung isa sa pinakabago nilang item na nirelease. Ito yung Nordic Table Lamp. So si Nordic Table Lamp, pag bumimili ka neto, dalawa na yung lamp na kasama sa box. Kasi table lamp siya, inisip ko for desk setup. So magkabilang desk ng part ng desk mo, pwede mong ilagay yung ilaw kasi dalawa siya. So maganda siya for ambient lighting and maganda siya for your desk setup. So aside from this Nordic Table Lamp, meron ding isa pang bagong product si Lasco, which is yung Nordic na floor lamp. So nag-release din sila noon and gumawa din ako ng unboxing na yon. So you can watch it here. Okay, so let's proceed with the box. In front, we can just see the smart Wi-Fi Nordic Table Lamp na nakalagay. And then yung itsura nung dalawang table lamp. So maganda itsura niya, very sleek, very modern. And then on the side, nakalagay dito yung mga applications na compatible with this product. So for this one, the Lasco app, Smart Life, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Google Assistant, and the Tuya app. And then, if you're gonna ask me, sa dami na ng Lasco products ko, gamit ko lang guys is yung Lasco app nila. So, very reliable naman yung app and hindi naman ako naka-encounter ng issues. Okay, so down here, the specifications. So, yung power niya is around 12 watts. Voltage niya is 100 to 240 volts. Working temperature niya is negative 30 degrees to plus 50 degrees. So, di ko alam ano ibig sabihin yan. And then, connection niya is 2.4 gigahertz. So, please note lang na for every Lasco Wi-Fi product, the band na compatible siya is 2.4. So, if you're using a 5.0 gigahertz band dun sa router nyo, hindi magko-connect yung Lasco product. So, please take that into consideration. And then, OS supported is both iOS and Android. And then, on the other side, features lang, which is features naman talaga ni Lasco kahit sa ibang products na RGB. So, yung first niya is yung RGB lighting, obviously. And then, adjustable na rin yung brightness, color, and saturation. Voice control, pwede na din. And then, meron siyang on and off na timer schedule. Mobile control, music sync, and the scene selection. So, si mobile control, yun nga, if gagamit kayo ng mobile, so gamitin nyo na rin yung mga apps na sinabi ko kanina. Pero if ayaw nyo gumamit nyo, ayaw nyo connected sa Wi-Fi, meron naman siyang kasamang remote para pwede nyo siyang i-connect via the remote. So, pero iba pa rin yung nasa app kasi mas customizable and mas maraming features or settings kang magagawa unlike sa remote lang. And then, scene selection, meron din siya nung mga ganito na pre-programmed light effects na if ever kung ano yung mood nyo or ano yung gusto nyong i-ambience sa setup nyo. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing. Okay. Okay, so first, power brick or charging brick. And then yung dalawang table lamp. Para siyang nunchucks. And then, I assume ito yung legs or yung tripod. Then that's it. So here, power brick, obviously. And then, the remote. And then, on this naman, meron din siyang manual. And then, yung dalawang paa niya. So, let's try to remove this na. Grabe rin yung, pagkabalot ng mahirap siyang tanggalin. Good job, Lasco. Okay, so ito yung dalawang tripod. Yan. 1 and 2. And then, let's go with the table lamps. Okay, so ganun na rin siya guys. Meron siyang 19 inches yung mismong lamp. Well, kasama yung tripod. And then meron siyang siguro 30 cm din na cord. Okay, so let's try to connect it dun sa tripod or yung sa legs. So yan, connected na siya. Looking at the table lamp, metal yung housing niya and then meron tube for the light. And then, sturdy enough naman siya. And then, dito sa baba, may makikita kang Lasco logo. And then, nandun sa taas, yung cord niya for the power brick. And then, yung tripod niya or yung legs, metal din siya. Alam mo siyang matibay. So, I'll try to connect the other one. So, yung for this case, yung power brick na kasama for the table lamp, naka two-way yung pin na 5 pin. So, ayan. Naka two-way siya kasi nga obviously dalawa. Okay? So, well, mahaba naman guys. So, lagpas 1 meter. So, hindi ko pa ma-fully stretch. So, ayan. Ganyan. So, mahaba naman siya. So, I think enough naman siya for typical desk. Okay. So, let's try to power this on. Yan. Blinking na silang dalawa. So, kita nyo ba guys? Yan. So, hindi na ako kita. So, ayan. So, I'll try to set it up lang din. Okay, opening Lasco app. And then, yan. Connecting na siya. Okay, so while it's connecting, nakita ko pala sa website nila na yung length nung cable end-to-end is 72 inches. Mahaba yung gap nila. Yung power brick naman, yung length niya to the cord is 35 inches. So, mahaba siya. So, I guess for a standard desk, enough yung length niya para hindi ka magahol sa cable or hindi siya magkulang. Ayan. So, connected na siya guys. Improve na rin yung music sync ni Lasco. So, yung previous nila na LED strip, hindi pa ganito ka-sensitive. Pero nung nag-upgrade na sila to Dreamlights, sobrang sensitive na niya. And then, na-apply na rin nila dito sa mga iba nila pang items. So, good job, Lasco. So, I think okay din siya for, photography. So, I'm trying to do tech photography in Instagram. So, if hindi nyo pa na-follow yung Instagram ko, plug ko na lang din. It's Paolo Marasigan channel. Please follow for tech-related photography. Doon ko naman pinapost yung mga ina-unbox natin and then at the same time, medyo artistic na tech photography yung nandoon. So, pwede siya. I think pwede siya for photography, for accents. Siguro magpo-post na lang din ako sa Instagram ko ng sample na pwedeng magawa netong ambient light na to, na Nordic lamp, na desk lamp, para makita nyo yung capability niya na if ever naghahanap din kayo or in the market na rin kayo for photography light, baka pwede siya. Tanggalin ko na muna yung music sync. Mahirap na magka-seizure, diba? Kasi nga, kapal. Anyway. Okay, so for this Nordic table lamp, this cost around 1,990. So, okay na siya kasi dalawa na siya and perfect na siya for your desk, magkabilaan. And if ever meron ka pang ibang use, like yung sinabi ko kanina, pwede siya for tech photography, for ambient lighting. So, sulit na yung 1,990 and mahaba yung gap niya, nung length niya, yung cable which is 72 inches. And then, from the power cable to the outlet socket, nasa 32 inches. So, yun. Mahaba siya. Hindi ka mabibitin sa kanya pag ilalagay mo siya sa desk setup mo. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ulit guys. Talk to you soon.